Papa G, just cut the cabbage for us now. So we planted some cabbage, but only...
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, it's bursting up. It's not something eating it. It's too big. It's fit. Sean is saying something is eating it.
No, sir.
Oh, yes, I can see what you're talking about. So, guys, we're going to reap this cabbage. We don't know anything. Papa G is laughing at us. But as I said, we are learning. We'll know what to do next time. The eggplant? Yeah. And he manured them recently.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why I think they're looking so good. This one is starting to fall over. This one take a little longer time. I'm wondering if stones are under it.
No, the tree.
Oh, the trees because of the sun, the sunshine. Oh wow, the tomatoes are coming up nicely.
I gave them
Wow.
some water this morning.
So Papa G
You
is
show them how something eat.
nothing is eating it.
not
Let Papa G
nice,
tell you what is it.
Fully full and burst.
It's just growing.
That's
So
good.
so just right under it, Papa G.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So
Reaped her
You
first.
know, I could have so much leaf on it.
so let me tell you something
off
about the
these,
leaf.
Okay.
If you have arthritis,
It's a good poultice.
it's a good poultice. So these leaves are very good.
Fertilizer.
If you know anybody who has arthritis or joint pain or even edema in the joints, they take this leaf, they'll use
Next
the
one now. Cut off, take off.
they'll use the end of the knife, like right here,
And
beat it till it's soft. You know the cabbage leaf is hard. Beat it until it's soft. And then you just wrap it around the joint here with saran wrap, and then you put like a towel and go to your bed. I promise you, if you have joint pain, you're gonna feel better. I have a patient that I told about this, and the patient said, "Doc, you're not gonna see me again, enough." Because I never knew cabbage could be used for that instead of being eaten. So yeah, you can use it for that. Shian
This one
is
is
gonna
beautiful.
cut the next one.
Perfectly wrapped.
Right.
Ready?
Our next, and this is what we're doing. So the next time we plant cabbage, we'll
Cut off a leaf.
don't cut off a leaf, or we'll know how to reap the cabbage
For
It will spring up and be here.
again. And look how Shian must have cut down.
No matter, it still spring.
Okay.
What?
Oh, by the way, the leaves. Chicken loves the leaf too. So if you have chicken, they'll pick at it.
Yes, or rabbits.
Yeah, the rabbits.
Any one of those herbivores, you can give it to them. So these are the corns. Corns are looking lovely. So whenever Shion is here, I give the garden a break because I'm the one that usually comes and does all the things. Shion, so mommy had thought that she had planted, look what she thought she had planted. Oh, so this is new development, guys. I don't think you saw that we grassed here to kind of keep down the weeds.
Show them that the sweet potatoes are blooming.
The sweet potatoes are blooming. Shion, mommy thought she had planted Panadol plants, so we need to plant some over here. So we have too many of the Cuban thyme, or what they call oregano. So I'm going to ask you to cut them out and dehydrate them for us. I think that's perfect for them. Yes, she wants Panadol plant to help with the pest control over here. But that's fine. So this is the very nice. That means something is going on underneath, isn't Sharon? This is the sweet potato. This is our today, yesterday, and tomorrow. It was blooming very nicely, but I don't know. I can show you that or experiment of the garlic. It's not going too well. And that's fine. It's a learning process for us. It's a learning. Oh, this is another. Ooh, sweet potato. This one under the grass, man. I guess it will find its way up. The leaves are going to do their thing. I'm really enjoying. I see that something is eating this corn, but for some reason it looks like it's just sticking onto that corn. I hope it's this one right here. I hope it stays right there and doesn't go anywhere else. Oh, so one of the corns deciding to push up. But how that one looks so dry and terrible already. Roger, is what it say doing too early? No, sir. That's not going to come to anything. That's not going to come to anything. What is it doing there? We had planted a melon here, but I don't know. That also is sweet potato there. I don't know. So this is the Longfoot cabbage. It's dying down. Papa G reaped it out. He said it's going to spring up again. So we did cucumbers this time again. And for some reason, it just didn't come. It did not come. This is our beetroot plant. We planted many beetroots, but only one decided to do its thing. And I don't know what's happening with this one over here. This is either broccoli or cauliflower. We're not sure. I think this needs some dirt over it. Gonna talk to Shane about that. And here we have some parsley, and it's not doing bad. It's coming up. Need some water. Need some water right now. And that's just a little update with what's happening over here. So when we do the gungo, we don't chop the gungos down. You know how some people chop it down and start over fresh? We don't do that. We allow them to do their thing. So we've grassed over here, so we believe that's going to help us with the weeds and better control. We have a planting tree over here, and you know it's sending up suckers. And any one of our friends that are doing country living, we try to give them suckers or anything that we have at the moment. This is soursop. We love soursop as a family. So we have soursop trees all over the family. It was one of the things that, all over the farm. It was one of the things that, and here's a banana. No, people, you can't talk to me anymore, and I know the difference between banana and plantain now, you know. It took me some time though. It took me a long time. And of course, we spoke about the lychee before in a previous video where we're showing you. So this is what's going on over here at the moment. So this is a pepper plant that I pruned up. Let's see what comes of it. Because it gave us one pepper. So let's see. I think I'm going to request that the tomatoes get strung up. Yes, I want to move the rope here to over there so that they can have a trellis to run on. That's gonna be my request. We need some more grass over here. Do I need it to be thicker than this? But I think this is a good start. We're going on with things, people. I'm supposed to be going and getting ready for work, but I'm just gonna show you that it is 7 o'clock in the morning. And this is just the back. You've seen this before. No sir, you cannot come in. This is our makeshift gate. Papa G is digging yam hills, Lord have mercy. I just can't get used to it. Alright, and the sun is rising. Enjoying some fresh air out here. Look at the papayas, people. These papaya trees really bore this year. I watched a video about the soursop and how to hand pollinate. So whenever we see the buds, here's a little lizard doing his thing on the plant there. Anytime we see the buds, we're planning to hand pollinate. So until then, I'll show you that once we see that. But Papa G is digging his yam hill and the sun is coming over. Have a good day, guys. Remember, once you do what God tells you to do, you'll be fine. He will hide us in the cleft of the rock. The munitions of rocks, bread shall be. The verse goes, he shall dwell on high, his place of defense shall be. The munitions of rocks, bread shall be given him, his water shall be sure, his water shall be sure. Isaiah 33 verse 16. And that's for the second time of trouble. Not for the first part.